Litika.
Hey friends, can you guess what this is? Well done. This is a very pretty small red house. Do you know what this upper part is called?
Ooh.
This is called roof. It's the roof of the house. If we turn it like this, we can see the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small windows. Here at the front, we can see the door of the house. Do you know what the color of the front door is? That's right, it's green. Let's open the front door and see what's inside. Wow, there are a lot of shapes inside. Let's take them out one by one. It's a star.
Whoa.
A triangle.
Whoa.
A circle.
Whoa.
A square.
Whoa.
A pentagon.
Whoa.
And a plus.
Whoa.
But what about this little house? Whose house could this be? No one there. Let's open the front door and see. It's a kitty. Are you hungry? Let's give the kitty some milk. Do you want to learn shapes and colors with us? I think she said yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We found 6 shapes. Let's put them back inside the house. Which one should I choose? I'll start with the star. Do you know where the star goes? I can't see a star shape on the front. Let's turn the house a bit. Oh, there it is. Let's put it back inside. Well done. Now let's take the triangle. The triangle goes here. Let's get the circle. So, where does the circle go? I can see a circle shape on the window below. But I think I've seen another circle shape on the front. Yes, here it is. Let's put it in here. Now, the square. I think a window on the side was square-shaped. There was a square shape on the roof too. But let's put it inside through this window here. The pentagon. Where do we put the pentagon? Ah, it's up here. And last but no least, the plus. Let's find its place. I see a plus shape on the roof, but I also saw one on the windows. Let's put it in here. Well done. We've put all the shapes back inside. Now let's try to make the shapes with colored popsicle sticks. Let's see. The star is purple. Let's make it with purple sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colored popsicle sticks for the star. Have you seen the stars in the sky? They look so beautiful. I love them so much. The triangle is yellow. Let's make a triangle with yellow sticks. One, 2, 3. Easy. What does the triangle remind you of? I'd love to have a piece of cake right now. The circle is green. We'll make the circle with green sticks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What kind of food looks like a circle? Yes, a pizza. Pizzas are so delicious. The square is blue. Let's make it with blue sticks. One, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful, the square. We've made it with 4 blue sticks. Do you know anything that is square-shaped? We just love when we receive new toys as a present, right? A present is square-shaped. The pentagon is red, which means we'll use red popsicle sticks to make the pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've used 5 red sticks for it. The pentagon kind of reminds me of a small house. The last one is the plus, and it has a yellow color. This one will be easy. We'll take 2 yellow sticks to make the plus. 1, 2. There you go, the plus. Do you know where we get our medicine when we are sick? That's right, the pharmacy. A pharmacy has a sign that is shaped like a plus. Well, friends, that's it for this video. But we had fun. We learned what a house looks like. We learned shapes and colors. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun too. We'll learn a lot more together. See you next time.